In this video, I'll explain how to use card pointers and how it helps me keep track of all my different credit cards. It lets me see all my credit cards in one place, and I can keep track of all those different monthly credits from all my cards. When I only had one or two cards, it wasn't hard to remember which benefits to use, but once it started to get more, this is where it became impossible to manage. When you open the app, the first thing you'll see is a summary view, and it'll show you how many cards you have, the total annual fee for all of those cards, and any of the offers associated with them. To add your cards to this app, you can select the cards at the bottom of your screen, and then from there, select the plus icon in the top left. Here, you'll be able to search through the list of credit cards, and you should be able to find yours. You want to make sure you pick the right version, and then click save. From there, you should be able to see your card get added to your list here. And then if you select on any of the individual cards, you see all the benefits that come with it. In this view, you can see things like when you got approved and the multipliers for your card. And then if you scroll down, you can see the different monthly credits that come with your card. And here you can mark them done to make sure you don't forget to use them. At the very bottom, you'll see your annual fee. If you want to update any of these numbers, you can click the dots in the top right, and here you can update things like how much your sign-up bonus was and how much you had to spend to get that bonus. Also, if you want to update your annual fee, you can do that here too. I got the Amex Platinum card last year, and with all the different credits, it became really hard to keep track, so I started to use this app to help me with that. So once I use a credit, I'll move that slider all the way to the right and mark it as done. And I already used the Lululemon credit, so that's why that's marked as done. And then once I use the Resi credit, I can also mark that. So this will just help me keep track and make sure I don't forget to use any of these. A useful benefit they have is that you can keep track of your significant other's credit cards too. If you click on the settings page and then click on filters and profiles, you'll be able to add another profile here. And the first time you do it, they'll have to set up an account. But after that, in the selected profiles, you'll be able to select their profile and then you can add all of their credit cards. So this is a great way to keep everything separate, but also still help manage all the different benefits. Besides helping you manage all your different credit cards, CardPointers also has a Chrome and Safari extension where you can automatically add all your different credit offers at once so you don't have to manually add them one by one. For example, I'm logged into my Amex account, and once you have the extension installed, you'll be able to see this CardPointers button in the offer section. So once I click on it, you'll see here, this is a list of all the different offers for your card. So right now, my Amex Gold is selected, but if I wanted to add all these different offers, I can click this checkbox here. But as an example, I'll go ahead and add these two offers. And once you click on the check mark here, that means those two offers were automatically added. So that way you don't have to manually add each and every one. If you have an Amex card, you might not know, but Amex will only show you 100 offers at a time here. So that means if you're not constantly adding your offers to your card, that you might miss out on some new ones. So to avoid this, what I would do is I try to make sure I had around 90 available offers here, but that meant I had to individually add each of these offers, and it got really annoying after a while. But thankfully with this card pointers feature, I don't have to worry about that. I want to point out that to add all your offers to a card, you don't need to log into your bank accounts or anything like that. This is really nice since that means you just need to download the extension. You'll notice that the extension and app have some pro features, and one cool one is that if you're on the card pointer screen here, you're able to add a single offer to multiple cards. Usually you're not able to do that, but you can see here, if I click all cards, I'll be able to add an offer like the Aldi's offer to all my different cards. So once I click here, I can click the check mark and you'll see here that it got added to all my different Amex cards. Now that you've added all your offers to your cards, you can easily search through them by using the offers tab here. That way you don't have to log into every account to see which one has the offer you're looking for. So for example, if I'm about to go to Aldi, I'll go ahead and search it up here. That way I know which card to use. And in the past, I've probably missed out on these type of offers because I either forgot to add them to my card or I used the wrong card. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn how to maximize your Chase Sapphire preferred card, then check out this video.